oldest pig on Manor Farm, named the Old Major, killed all the animals in the farm for a meeting. He described his dream about the world where all animals would live free from the tyranny of the human master. The old major did soon after the meeting, but inspired by his philosophy of the animals. To your pigs, Snowball and Napoleon assumed command.
Napoleon and Snowball led the animals in Manor Farm to rebel and drive Mr. John from the farm. Then the animals changed Manor Farm name to Animal Farm. The 7 rules of animals were written on the wall of the barn. Snowball acted as the leader, attempting to read and read. Then the pigs soon elevate themselves to the position of leadership. Meanwhile, Napoleon managed to take the pups from the farm dogs and treat the private.
One day, Mr. Jones came with his friend, trying to retake the frog as the smart first animals. Napoleon and Snowball struggled for leadership. When Snowball announced the idea for constructing a windmill, Napoleon opposed it. Napoleon had his dog case Snowball. Later, in Snowball's absence, Napoleon declared himself leader and made money checks. He eliminated all meetings instead a committee of pig ran the farm.
A pig named Squealer was assigned by Napoleon as accomplice. He announced that Snowball stole Napoleon's idea of making a windmill. All animals except the pigs had to work harder to make the windmill and were promised to have easier lives with the windmill. In fact, the animals received less and less food while the pigs grew fatter. Unfortunately, months after making the windmill, a violent storm hit. Napoleon convinced the animals that Snowball destroyed it. He started to make Snowball a scapegoat. When he purged the farm by killing animals, he also accused Snowball of being the culprit. Napoleon has surely abused his powers. He made life even harder for animals. The pigs imposed more control over the farm while they received privilege for themselves. The rules of animalism in the farm began to change and evolve. The pigs started to adopt the lifestyle of humans while the other animals, the cold, starving, and overworked, remained convinced through psychological conditioning that they were still better off than they were ruled by Mr. Jones.
Unexpectedly, Mr. Frederick, one of the neighboring farmers, swindled Napoleon and attacked the farm, using equal power to blow up the restored windmill. Although the animals could win the battle, they did so at great cost, including Boxer, the horse who was wounded. While being ill, Boxer continued working harder and harder until he collapsed while working on the windmill. Napoleon directly sent for a van to take Boxer to the vet, explaining that a better car could be given them. Boxer died, among speculation from the pigs that it was a cover-up from Squealer.
The orcas and the pigs learned to walk upright, carry weight, and wear clothes just like humans. The 7 rules of animalism were reduced to a single part. All animals are blessed, but some animals are more equal than others. One night, Napoleon held a dinner party for pigs the humans of the area, who congratulated Napoleon on having the hardworking animals in the country on the last feet. Then Napoleon announced an alliance with humans and referred the name of the farm to Manor Farm. The other animals overheard the conversation. They noticed that the face of the pigs and head began changing. The animals realized that the face of pigs looked like the face of humans and no one could tell the difference between them.
Thanks for watching.